Hey, what's up everybody? Let's unbox this knife sharpening kit and take a look at what's inside. So this is a 9-piece set containing one pair of cut resistance gloves. Also contains one leather strap with a buckle on one end of it, a stick of the green polishing compound, one non-slip bamboo base, two double-sided whetstones, one 400 and 1000 grit, the other one is 3000 and 8000 grit. Contains two non-slip rubber bases that go around each stone. These then place into the bamboo base. One flattening stone to smooth out your whetstones. One honing guide and one angle guide. If this is your first knife sharpening kit ever, the instructions are pretty easy as far as instructions go. I do appreciate that, and I think you will too. Really bullet pointy and can get you at least going. So yeah, this is a nice little set that you can easily do kitchen knives and easy pocket knives with. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you have yourself a great day.